Okay, in the last part, I'm going to show some example when you have like definite integral for integration by substitution. Okay, let's go to the first example. Let's say if I want to integrate from -1 to 1 of x squared square root of x cubed plus 1. Okay, x cubed plus 1. So for this one, okay, in the first step, okay, you need to integrate by using substitution rule. Okay, this step over here. So again, if you're not sure how to use substitution rule, make sure you view the videos from part 1. Okay, so for this one, we start with the same step as what we do in the previous part. Okay, let u to be the function inside the square root. So you will get x cubed plus 1. Okay, and later again, this one actually you need to change it to become power first. Okay, again, I forgot to do that. Okay, let's change it to become the power first. Okay, -1 to 1 x squared. Okay, x cubed plus 1. Okay, change it to become power so that later easy for you to integrate. Okay, so again, first step, you let u to be x cubed plus 1. Second step, okay, by now you should know the step one by one already. Okay, third step, you rewrite dx, okay, as the title, so you will get du over 3x squared. Okay, and the next step, you substitute u and dx. Okay, u inside here, dx, you substitute with this value. So you will get, okay, next step, you want to integrate again from -1 to 1. Okay, of x squared. This one again, you change it to become u power of 1 over 2 du over 3x squared. Okay, again, because you already changed to u, okay, you already changed with respect to u, the number here should be, you cannot use the number yet. Okay, so let's just erase this part first. Okay, we will integrate first. Okay, and in the last part later, then we will substitute -1 and 1. Okay, now you need to integrate first. Okay, just ignore the number first. So simplify, you can see here I can cut x squared and x squared here. So I get 1 over 3. So I just bring 1 over 3 in front. Okay, and integrate u half du. Okay, so use the properties of power here. Okay, you need to plus the power. Okay, 1 over 2 plus with 1. So you will get 3 over 2. Okay, so equals to 1 over 3 times with u to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. Okay, actually, you need to plus c, right? But remember, you have definite integral. When you need to integrate by using definite integral, you do not need to add plus c. Okay, so just leave it like this. So you just simplify first and then substitute back the original value of u. Okay, so in the next step, okay, I'll write over here. Okay, in the next step, simplify. Okay, simplify the function. So this one you change it to become multiply. So you will get like 2 over 3. So simplify, actually you will get 2 over 9. Okay, 2 over 9. So equals to 2 over 9 u to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, and then last step is step number 6. You substitute back the value of u. So 2 over 9 x cubed plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, so you need to integrate from -1 to 1. Remember, I have definite integral over here. Okay, so I want to integrate from -1 to 1. So you need to substitute. Again, substitute the value. Okay, equals to, okay, I substitute my x equals to -1 first. Okay, so 2 over 9. Okay, -1 cube plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. Okay. And then minus with, substitute my x equals to 1. So 2 over 9, 1 cube plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, so let's calculate what we get here. So again, if you substitute negative 1 cube, you will get negative 1. Plus with 1, you will get 0. Okay, 0 to the power of 3 over 2, you get 0. 0 times 2 over 9, you get 0. So the first value, you get 0. Okay, in the second value, okay, 1 cube, you will get 1. Plus with 1, you will get 2. Okay, so 2 to the power of 3 over 2. So it's actually, okay, I can simplify it to be 2 over 9. Okay, 2 to the power of 3 over 2. So if you simplify this one, okay, 2 to the power of 3, I get 8. Okay, 2 to the power of 3, I get 8. Let me calculate over here. 2 to the power of 3, I get 8. Okay, and then divide by 2 here means square root. Okay, I can change it to be like this. Okay, 3 over 2 means square root of 2 cubed. So square root 8. Okay, if I simplify, I should get 2 square root 2. Okay, so substitute in here. Okay, I will get negative. Okay, 2 times 2, I get 4. Okay, so negative 4 square root 2 over 9. This is my last answer. Okay, therefore the answer for this one again, for this one, I get final answer equals to negative 4 square root 2 over 9. Okay, done. So this is for the first example. So let's do another example for this one. Okay, in my next example, okay, I want to integrate from pi over 6 to 0 of 6 cos 3x dx. Okay, 3x dx. Okay, so you can see here I have a trigo function with, okay, trigo of a function, okay, trigo of a fx. So I cannot just simply use the properties. If properties, integrate cos x dx, I will get sin x, which is plus c if I don't have number, okay, in the integral. If indefinite, I need to plus c, but this one is definite, so no need to add plus c later on. Okay, but this one again only apply if you have x. Okay, but if you have a trigo, if you have a trigo with a number attached to the x, okay, which is, it will become a function here. So you cannot just straight away use this formula. Okay, you need to apply substitution rule. Okay, so again, let's use the step one by one. So step 1, okay, we let u to be this one, okay, the function of your trigo. Okay, second step, differentiate the u, so you will get 3 dx. Okay, in step number 3, we write dx as a title, so bring 3 to the other side, so you get du over 3. So step number 4, I substitute u in this equation, and dx, use this one. Okay, so you will get integrate. Okay, ignore or leave the number first. Okay, this one we will write later when you already substitute at the 6th step. Okay, then you use this number. As of now, just leave it first. So you want to integrate 6 cos. Okay, so this one again, 3x here, you substitute to become u. And dx, you use this value. Okay, du over 3. Okay, next step, simplify. So 3 and 6 here, I can simplify to be 2. Okay, I cut, so I get 2 cos u. So I need to integrate 2 cos u du. So now I have like trigo with a variable only. So I can use this formula. Okay, so I just change from x here, I change it to become u. So I get sin u. Okay, so the answer will be 2 sin u. So again, do not write plus c in here because you have definite integral here. So just keep it like that. So step number 6, you substitute back the original of u, so you will get sine 3x. Okay, so now, okay, after you already substitute back at step number 6, so you substitute this integral. Okay, so you want to substitute or integrate, okay, the answer that you get here from x equals to pi over 6 until x equals to 0. Okay, so now you need to substitute, okay, 2 sine 3 pi over 6 minus with 2 sine 3 times 0, I just get 0. Okay, 3 times 0, I just get 0. Okay, so simplify. So this one is 2, so pi over 2. Alright, so the answer, I just write over here. Okay, so I get 2 sine pi over 2. So sine pi over 2 is equals to 1. Okay, sine pi over 2 is equals to 1. Sine 0 is equals to 0. So it's just minus 0. So therefore, the final answer, okay, the final answer is equals to 2. Alright, so that's it for this video. So I will stop until here. Okay, so hopefully you're able to understand how to integrate by using substitution rule.